Maybe you or someone you know has had their credit scores hurt by medical collections. Well, there's a real positive update to how the credit bureaus are treating medical collections coming up in the next month. I want to walk you through this. My name's Miles Pitcher. Please subscribe and share to this channel. I appreciate it. It helps us out a lot. All right, so medical collections. These changes, at least the first part of them, go into effect July 1st. First of all, normally, if a medical collection gets added on and it gets immediately paid off, it shows as a paid collection on your credit report for quite a long time, and it does damage to your credit scores. Starting July 1st, any medical collection that has a $0 balance and shows paid will be completely removed off your credit report. That is a huge help to our borrowers. The next one that is also awesome is that right now there's a 6-month cushion from the time that the medical happens to when they can slap on a medical collection. That's usually not enough time for the insurance company sometimes to work things out and get people paid. Now they're pushing that cushion out to 1 year. So that should give plenty of time for the insurance companies to get everything settled and paid. And hopefully it never hits as a collection for the next and third piece of this will happen first half of next year. And that is, if it's under $500 that is owed, it will not be reported or affect your credit score on the credit report. That's pretty awesome. Let me run you through a little rate update. Again, this chart here, as the chart moves down, rates get worse. As the chart moves up, rates get better. So we had a week and a half or so of some improvement in rates. We kind of moved up and then hit a resistance level. Things got better, and now we're moving along again, another resistance line. Things that are happening. So we know there's going to be some Fed fund raises coming up, and those have been priced in and planned for already. The big thing in June is we have the quantitative tightening or the balance sheet reduction. And again, this is where the Federal Reserve has been buying mortgage-backed securities for so long. They have a whole ton of them on their balance sheet. They're going to start getting rid of those, unloading them. This is not a favorable action to mortgage rates. We believe it's been priced in, the damage to it, in our current mortgage rates, but we'll watch and see what happens. We also have a jobs report coming out tomorrow, the 3rd, and we believe that it's going to be a negative jobs report, meaning there's going to be fewer job creations than projected. So another sign of the slowing economy. Just keep in mind that inflation is the enemy of rates. So as we get our inflation under control, that's really going to help bring the mortgage rates back down. Rates are still fabulous. This improvement we've had, it was a really good move. Again, my name's Miles. I'm always happy to answer any questions you have about loans, credit reports, anything that we can do to help you out there. My phone number's right there, my email, and my website. Have a great week. We'll come back to you next week with another mortgage tip.